All right, first let's number these and color code them in the graphs. That'll do, and I recommend you use highlighters and or colored pencils for problems like this. We're looking for an expression that represents the area inside both curves, this green shaded region. For this problem, you just want to think of this green area as 4 distinct regions. Region 1 is only defined by the blue curve. Region 2 is only defined by the red curve. We have symmetry, so we can just find the area of region 1 and 2 and then double it. That's how I'm going to do this problem. So region 1 uses the blue curve. Region 2 uses the red curve. We know exactly what the radii functions are. They're given. So we know that if we add region 1 and 2, that's just half of it, so we have to double that sum. So we're left with just finding the limits of integration. This one's pretty straightforward. For the blue curve, we start at theta equals 0, which gives us r equals 0, 2 minus 2, right there. And by the time we get to pi over 2, we should be here, which is 2 minus 0, or just 2, and that is 2 up. That's just from 0 to pi over 2. The red one is similarly straightforward. We're only doing region 2, remember. And so if we start off at pi over 2, we rotate to pi. Let's just do a quick check. At pi over 2, radius 1 is 2 plus 0, which is just 2. Yep, that's the vertical dimension here, vertical height. And if we go to pi, r1 equals 2 plus negative 1, which is 1. That was 1 over. This is correct. It was straightforward as we suspected. So from pi over 2 to pi. And which answer choice is this? This doesn't match any of the answer choices. So it looks like they're going to do the entire region and not double it. Quick fix, we're going to do regions 1 and 4, defined only by the blue curve, and regions 2 and 3 together, defined only by the red curve. So instead of going from 0 to pi over 2, we're going to go from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. And instead of going from pi over 2 to pi, we're going to go from pi over 2 to 3 pi over 2 for the red curve. And now we can clearly see that this is answer choice C.